This is my everyday carry flashlight. It's a Phoenix E12. It measures 3.5 inches long, and it's about 3/4 inch diameter. I carry it along with the Knipex Cobra 125s. Obviously it can lay flat, but it also has a flat end, so it can sit vertical, which is real nice if the power goes out and you want to light up a room. And when you combine it with the Knipex Cobra 125s, you can angle it any position in between. I'll put a link in the description below to my other video on the Knipex 125 with another mod, and I also have a video on a mod for the Leatherman Wave. If you like this video, please consider clicking the thumbs up and subscribing.